I'm just going to open the MATLAB now. So I already worked out some programs are there. That's why straight away, earlier I worked with some program. That's why you could be able to see all those things. I'm just going to close everything. So this is what, the moment you open the MATLAB software, you could see a screen like this with the home tab. Okay, right? So before I open App Designer, I told you that compared to guide, it is much user friendly. So I'd like to show only guide. How does it look? And then I'll go for the App Designer. So what you are supposed to do means just type in command window, just type guide. You see, you could see here, I'm just typing here guide. Okay, and then press enter. So it is asking already existing program you want to open or open a new tab. Create a new GUI. I'm just opening a blank one. Okay. Yeah, you see. So you could see the components here. Okay. So here you can, left hand side, you can notice some components. For suppose if I drag any one component, see, I just released the push button. Okay. Now you have to go to the background of the push button, and you need to write some code. This is what the overall look for your guide actually. So every time you need to access the components, and then parallelly you have to, and you may have a doubt. For this particular GUI, whatever is opened here, where is the program? Again, you have to go back and check where the program is existing. There you need to go and type your code. Okay, this is what about guide. Now same thing, I'm just going to open in App Designer. Just you look at that view. How does it look? So I'm just going to type here in the same command window, App Designer. See, this is the page getting open. Now, already if you are worked with earlier any programs, all those recent applications and all you could see in the left hand side. Or if you want to open any file which is not existing here, that also you can open and then proceed with it. Now I'm going to start a new program. So I need to click on blank app. So I'm just going to clicking on blank app.